A blessed and happy birthday to our dear provider sa PBF Prosthetic and Brace Center. So, happy birthday today kay Sir Danding, aka Fernando Santos ngayong araw na to. Wishing you good health and more blessings to come at sana po yung inyong advocacy na makatulong sa mga PWD na Pilipino with amputated cases ipagpatuloy pa ni Lord. Kung yun po i-bless ni Lord, may pagpatuloy nyo pa po. Alam nyo pong malaking tulong yung ginagawa nyo para sa mga katulad nila, gaya ng lagi nyo sinasabi na hindi ko na ho kailangang ulitin, but definitely on your special day, I just wanted to greet you a happy birthday. It makes me very happy to know na may nakilala taong katulad. So, in behalf of PWD Molino 2 in Bacoor, Cavite, I would just like to wish you a happy birthday and God bless. So, yun lang po.